Hi guys! For work you need crochet steel hook 2 mm, a ball of yarn that consists of 100% mercerized cotton, seed beads. Before the work we thread seed beads onto the working yarn, and flower or another motif that you would like to join. Let's crochet scrunchie. Make a chain, pull a little bit, I put my elastic and insert the hook around the elastic, make single crochet. I have done the first stitch, then draw seed bead, I count 3 seed beads, take the working yarn, pull it through, make single crochet around the elastic, then count 3 seed beads and make chain with 3 seed beads. You can choose another color of yarn and another kind of beads, so this is by your wish. I continue, make single crochet around the elastic and count 3 seed beads and make a chain. Make single crochet, pull a little bit like this. Then I continue working till the end of the elastic. I left some stitches and show you how to join a flower to my scrunchie. My scrunchie is almost ready. I have done trim with seed beads. My scrunchie is very stretchy. Here how it looks. You can combine this scrunchie with flower, motif made in freeform technique or in Irish lace. If you don't like decoration on the hair, you can just crochet a trim with seed beads and it will be perfect for every day. Let's look at my scrunchie. I left a small space, and while making the stitches I show you how to join my flower to the scrunchie. Also, you can crochet single crochet till the end of the round, and you can join a flower to the scrunchie with help of the sewing needle and thread. Let's look at the back side of my flower. As you can see, I have got 2 or 3 chain spaces. So now I am working with these chain spaces. Now insert the hook around the elastic. I do not finish the stitch, put my flower. Insert the hook into the chain space. Like this. And grab the yarn and pull it through. And pull through all loops on the hook. Here how it looks. I draw seed beads. For the next stitch I need 3 seed beads. Make a chain with seed beads. Now insert the hook into the chain space and around the elastic. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 3 seed beads and make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space and around the elastic. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Draw 3 seed beads. If you don't like seed beads, you just crochet single crochet as many times as you would like. So let's look at the back side of the flower. You can work with this part, but I continue working with chain space. That is the next one. Make single crochet. I did in the same method as I did before. So I'm going to continue work by myself. I did the 3rd stitch the same as I did before. Also, I remind you, I needed only 3 seed beads for one. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, then insert the hook around the elastic, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Pull a little bit, then make chain with 3 seed beads. Now insert the hook into the 1st stitch, make a slip stitch. I straight up my petals and I will cut off the yarn, and my scrunchie is ready. My project is done. I removed all yarns. I add a bead to the center of the flower. Also, if you don't like to join 2 pieces together, you can use sewing needle and thread and just sew 2 pieces together. Let's look at my scrunchie. For this one I used white color of yarn and white seed beads, but you can choose any color that you like. Also, you can use like a bracelet. Here how it looks on my hand. Don't forget to subscribe my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more and create something new with my step-by-step video tutorials. I remind you, I have got a lot of step-by-step video tutorials. How to crochet flowers, leaves, motifs in freeform technique. And see you in the next video tutorials. Bye!